COVID-19 vaccine. The FDA is endorsing the emergency use of Moderna's option in a report released just about 30 minutes ago. It's a critical step forward in getting formal clearance to be administered to the public. Moderna submitted its COVID vaccine data to the FDA at the end of last month. It said a final analysis of its phase 3 clinical trial found the vaccine was more than 94% effective in preventing COVID-19, was safe, and appeared to fend off severe disease.
Hundreds more hospitals around the country will begin vaccinating their workers today as federal health officials review a second COVID-19 shot. Shipments of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine are set to arrive at another 400 hospitals and other distribution sites packed in dry ice to stay at those deep frozen temperatures. And this big step forward brings one question to all of our minds. How long until the rest of us get the vaccine?
Yeah, vaccinations could start as early as today, but most people won't get it for months. More than 350,000 healthcare workers and 61,000 people in nursing homes are the first in line in Washington. Then it will be given to another 26,000 first responders and 2 million people in our state considered at risk with health conditions. After that, it goes to older people, essential workers, teachers, the homeless, and those in prisons. It may not be until late spring for everyone else to start getting vaccinated. So it's a monumental move forward for the country right now, but it's important to know we're still far from the end of this pandemic.
Mentioned our concern that people will feel that, okay, that the crisis is past and we can relax the other things which we do know work, like the masking and the social distancing and not getting together in large congregate crowds.
Well, we know Providence Health and Multicare will be the first to get Spokane County's 3,900 doses expected this week. Washington is hoping to have about 350,000 total doses in 1 month, and then another 500,000 to 1 million doses a month later. Washington will get weekly shipments of the vaccine starting in January, and there are other companies like Moderna waiting. Again, as we just said, actually got that vaccine approval this morning, so those shipments could get much bigger each week. In Idaho, the first COVID-19 vaccine was given to a physician in the eastern part of the state.
Governor Brad Little announced Dr. Russ McCune in Rexburg was the first Idahoan to receive the vaccine. Idaho will get 13,600 doses in the initial rollout. 2,000 of those will go to North Idaho. In the Panhandle, the first shipments will be sent directly to hospitals. While the initial number of doses is low, the second and third shipments will be closer to 90,000. In the Panhandle alone, there have been more than 13,000 cases of coronavirus so far and 145 deaths. 78 people remain in the hospital with COVID.